Reckitt
बोल के
sales team
बोलता
that
खुद
makes sure
बना रहा
that
हूँ
wheat
ठीक.
is available in the many outlets that we sell in, and the entire
मालूम
team
एक बार
working on
बुलाया
wheat.
था.
So thank you all for being here.
आप
Today is
पोस्टर
a
लेकर
very
आए थे.
special day. Wheat is
ये
actually a
लेकर आया
very
था
interesting
अपना
brand.
चावल.
Do you know which country it started from? Does anybody know?
बियर.
Yes. Guess. Okay, I better just tell you. What was that?
यूपी.
You're
यूपी.
right. So, absolutely right. In the 1940s, wheat was launched in France as a safe, effective, and convenient way to remove hair at home.
वही कर.
It was launched in India 20 years ago in 2004, and it entered the market as a
12 अगस्त.
challenger, and it actually became the number one brand today. It's synonymous with safe
12
and convenient appellation,
साथ
and
में के काटेंगे
it
फिर टेंशन
actually
मत लो.
serves 50 million Indian women every year, right? So it is one of the brands very much built in India in our lifetimes. Today we are here to actually launch under the aegis of wheat its best ever formula. This formula has been built and developed in charts where the global R&D team of wheat sits. 200 iterations have led to this formulation being the best ever appellation, not just ever on wheat, but globally in any skin removal cream. Hair removal cream. And that's exactly what we're here to launch today. But before we do that, I want to actually talk about Sarah, who today is probably the most tenured member of our brand team. Right? So Sarah has spent 5 years on wheat. She just told me that it was her very first brand endorsement. So thank you, Sarah, for infusing this brand with your vivaciousness, your beauty, your confidence above all else. And who better than you to unveil, for the first time globally, by the way, the new wheat formulation, right, for everybody. So I'd like to welcome you on stage. But before that,
true celebration of the self-lives, I think. Be the best version of yourself for yourself. Point to be noted. Okay. Now let's think back to the AV we watched earlier. It highlighted some of the common issues we face, while waxing or while taking off, removing the hair. Sarah, as a celebrity, of course, you have a packed schedule. This question is for Sarah, by the way, and you probably have an access to it already ready salon all the time. And spend time, energy, money going somewhere when you can actually have your 5-minute salon in your van, in your house, on the flight, if you're, you never know. So, I just think that it's easy, it's convenient, and safe, so why not? Yeah. How about you? Do you also retake whenever needed? Genuinely, I'm asking you.
No, so,
अभी टाइम है ना, काम चालू है, इधर से इधर आ रहा है.
dates me, but I think I was probably one of the first users of this brand in 2004 because yes, I was old enough to be using it at that point of time. And for the last 20 years, it is a standard fixture in my journey. Yeah, what you said. And Wheat Sensitive is my go-to. That's the one I use.
Okay. Okay. So wheat has come a long way. We all have seen it evolving over the years, making hair removal so easy and convenient now. Can you tell us about how consumer preferences has also changed and how wheat has adapted to meet all these changes all these years?
This question actually makes me feel very lucky for where we are today, right? India has one of the youngest populations in the world. It has a consumer who is now growing up in the world of beauty influencers, phenomenal stars that they can now see and hear a lot more, and in the world of Instagram. And therefore, the entire beauty and personal care journey in India has been quite fantastic actually over the last 5 years. The market has grown at over 15%. It's more than doubled even in the last 5 years since Sarah has been on the brand. And honestly, it is this that gives us the hope that we can reach absolutely every Indian woman out there wanting to get a safe and effective solution. To look good whenever she wants to, and taking Sarah's cue, whatever she would want to for herself.
Ratan bhai.
Right, so that's exactly what we're trying to do.
Absolutely. So, before we hand over to media for the question, Sarah, I would like to end it with a very simple thing. I know you don't have to think for this, okay? What are those, without thinking, what are those 5 words which come to your mind when I say hair removal? Or, okay, let me change it to smooth skin, without thinking.
Wheat,
Soft, confident, silky, hair free. Okay, we wrap it up with Kanika also. Kanika, 5 words which come to your mind with the new product, Pure. It's an ongoing thing. I think it's best not to engage with them on any level. You know, सबकी सुनो, अगर उसमें आपको कोई सकारात्मक सुझाव दिखे कि चलो इसमें मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, शायद मैं इसमें अगर ध्यान दूंगी तो मैं बेटर हो जाऊंगी, वो सब ठीक है. लेकिन अगर आपको पता चल जाता है कि कोई आपको सिर्फ नीचे खींचने की कोशिश कर रहा है, अगर वो है तो आई थिंक यू कैन ओनली इग्नोर. उससे ज़्यादा कोई क्या ही बोलेगा. एनीथिंग दैट इज जस्ट द विशियस सर्कल ऑफ इंडल्जिंग व्हिच यू शुड अवॉइड. आई थिंक.
Would you comment anything?
so I think Prachi should be celebrated for everything that she achieved, right? And all the other chapters actually nonsensical. So I would absolutely
चालू है.
agree with Sarah. Engage करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You're giving unnecessary attention to a non-issue.
Ajab Sarah, it's like more of a hygienic thing also, like if you talk about, like hair removing is also more of like hygienic thing, but that also has to be promoted. In that sense, what do you say?
I can take that. So I think hair removal is a beauty choice.